Arrive in style with this Jeep 2020 Gladiator Sport S. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are engine, 3.6L V6 24 VVT-UPG1 with ESS, STD, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850RE, included, tip-start transmission skid plate select speed control, black 3-piece hard top included, Freedom panel storage bag rear window defroster rear sliding window no soft top, anti-spin differential rear axle included, tires 245/75R17 BSW automatic transmission dualer, spray and bud liner, heritage tan black cloth low back bucket seats, radio, Uconnect 4 with 7 display, all-weather slush mats and Sirius satellite radio included, 1-year Sirius XM radio service. For more info call 800-643-2112.